The first step would be to go to Google and search Ton. Make sure you're looking at this, ton.org, okay? Click on that. That's going to bring you to their official website. Over here we'll have use, click on that. That's going to show you all of this stuff. Go to get wallet, and that will display all the wallets that are compatible with the Ton blockchain. Okay, there are a number of them here, like I pointed out in my previous video, but I do like this first one here, Ton Keeper. Okay, so you click on this. The following are going to be displayed. Choose your option. I'm going with Android. That would bring you to Play Store. Okay, I have update because I already have this app on my mobile device. If you don't have it, it's gonna say install. Okay, so you simply click on the install button and you would have it installed. Follow the on-screen instructions. After installing and creating your Ton wallet, launch it, and the interface is going to look exactly like this. Okay, so the first thing you would want to do would be to go to these settings, click on where it says backup. When you click on that, it's going to display this. Okay, so it says show your recovery phrase. This is very important. You would have to get a pen and paper and pen this down. Okay, keep it where you will not forget, because if you lose this, you will not be able to access this wallet. Okay, so now that you have your wallet already, the next will be to go to a centralized exchange. Okay, I'm going to be using the Bybit exchange to explain this. Okay, so go to the Google Play Store and search Bybit, install it. Once installed, click on the open button and it's going to show you sign up. So you're going to click on the sign up button. Do you have a referral code? Obviously my referral code is going to be in the description. If you want to say thank you to me, you can just use that referral code, key it in here and finish signing up. Once signed up, then log into your Bybit app. So once you log into your Bybit app, it is going to look like this. The interface is going to look like this. Before you can buy crypto on this app, you would have to first go through verification, ID verification. Please make sure that when doing your ID verification that the names you'll be keying in here are the names on your ID. Okay, maybe you're going to be using your international passport or your driver's license or your national ID, whatever document. Make sure that the names tally. Click on this right here. You can see it says clearly verified ID. So once you're done, the next will be to deposit crypto. I'm assuming you don't have any money here. Okay, you will simply click on that deposit button and it is gonna bring you through the possible methods available for you. Okay, if you live in a country where you can use your bank card to buy crypto on centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit and the rest, you're free to go through this method. Okay, continue and then use your bank card to do the buying. Okay, but if you live in a country where you are not allowed to buy crypto using your bank cards, that means you're going to be using the P2P method. Okay, for example, if you live in a country like Nigeria, do not try this. If you do this, your account will be frozen, so you would have to go through the P2P method. Okay, so make sure you know the situation in your own country before you go ahead, so you don't run into issues. Preferably go through the P2P method. So if you click on the P2P, it's going to bring you to the P2P page. So what is going on here? This is where you can buy crypto or sell crypto. Okay, the first thing I want you to notice is that there is a currency here. Mine says NGN. Okay, so yours is going to say the currency of your country. Make sure to click on that to select the suitable currency for your country. And once you have that selected, it's going to display here. The next I want you to see is that you can buy or sell. For the purpose of this video, we want to buy. You're going to make sure this is on the buy section. If you want to go to the sell section, you simply change it, click on that. Okay, but we want to buy, you take it back to the buy section, and below it you can see we have USDT, USDC, BTC, ETH and the rest. These are the currencies you can buy here. Okay, so it's advisable to buy USDT. Now I want you to pay attention. These are the people who are selling their assets. What are they selling? They're selling USDT because that's the one we selected, and they want to sell at these prices. Okay, I want you to pay attention to the price they are selling it, and I want you to pay attention also to the quantity. Okay, and pay attention to the limit. Okay, what this limit means is that if you're not going to buy from this amount to this amount, then you shouldn't consider buying from this person. And then you can see where it says bank transfer. What this means is when you want to make payment to this person, you would have to go to your mobile app and transfer the value of what you want to buy to the person's account. Okay, but I want you to also notice again that here says ineligible, so there is no point buying from this person. Never buy from anybody that has this ineligible. And I also wanted to pay attention to the quantity of orders. This person has got a large quantity of orders and a 97% success rate. Okay, so that is very interesting. Okay, so this one, bank transfer, again, it doesn't say ineligible, so I can go with this person, click on that. That brings me here. Okay, so now we want to buy. You are either buying with fiat or you're buying with crypto. Okay, if you're buying with fiat, that means you're gonna key in the amount you want to spend in your currency here. Okay, if you want to buy with crypto, you're gonna change this to crypto and key in the amount you want to buy in USDT. Okay, I would rather go with fiat so that it will be easier for me to understand. So I could just simply put in the amount of USDT I want to buy. So after keying in the amount you want to buy, the next will be to simply click on the buy button. There is no harm in reading these instructions here. They will help you understand the process. Okay, if I click on this, I actually do not want to make this transaction live. I've got a ton of videos on my channel where I've done these live, okay, where I actually spent money to buy this. I'm going to be linking them in the description if you want to see it. Okay, but what you're going to do is to click on that. It's going to bring you here. Now notice it gives you about 14 minutes to complete this transaction. So what are you going to complete? You're simply going to pay in this amount to the seller's account. Okay, and you can see here you can decide to contact the seller. If you click on pay now, okay, they are going to display this seller's bank details. Make sure that the name displayed by Bybit, the name displayed here, is the name you would see when you log into your mobile app to make the payment. If you see a different name, do not make payment. Make sure that your name, the name on your account when you were signing up for this Bybit account, make sure the name on your account is also the name on your bank app, your bank. Remember I told you that if they are not the same, if you pay this person, they can decide to refuse releasing your crypto. They would make complaints to Bybit that you pay them through a third party. Once you follow this instruction, just click on pay now and go to your bank app and complete the payment, and within this time frame they're going to release your asset. And once you are sure that you've made payment, you've logged into your bank, you've made payment, always save your payment receipt and then come back here. You're going to be prompted to complete the transaction if you have made payment. So it's going to have a button like this that will say payment made or something like that. You're going to click on it. Never click on that if you have not made payment. Okay, so once you've completed the P2P buying, go to your assets and you're going to see your USDT here. Okay, so you can see we've got funding and we've got unified. These are your accounts. So now we want to buy the Ton coin. Okay, and to do that you would have to move the money here in your funding wallet to your unified trading account. To do this, you click on the transfer button. That's going to display this page, funding and then unified. Okay, so you're going to select the coin you want to transfer. In this case USDT, it is already here. If by any means you don't have it here, just click on this. That's gonna show you all the coins, so select the coin you want to transfer. Okay, now back to this place, you're gonna click on max or type a different quantity to move the quantity you want to move. Just click on confirm. Watch what is going to happen. Okay, this is going to transfer this 1.655 to my unified trading account. Now, if you noticed, funding is now 00. My unified trading account has 1.88 USD. Once you have this done, the next will be to go to where it says trade down here. Click on that trade. It's gonna bring you here. So what do we want to buy? We want to buy ton coin. Okay, so just come here and just click on that. That's gonna display all of this. Okay, so use this search bar to search ton. So these are the currency pairs you can use to buy ton. You can see ton USDT. Click on that. So here you can see there is buy, there is sell. We want to buy. Okay, if you want to sell, you click on the sell button and follow the process I'm going to be teaching. But want to buy, click on the buy button. Then I want you to quickly go to where it says limit, change that to market. Okay, change that to market, and boom. Okay, you can see that. Then this button right here, slide it to the exact quantity of the ton you want to buy. Okay, so I want to spend all my USDT buying the ton coin. Okay, and I want you to pay close attention to this right here. This shows you the price of ton as at the time you are making the transaction. A ton coin is worth 6.32 US dollars. So I want to buy about 1.655 US dollars worth of the ton coin. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to simply click on the buy button. As you can see up here, order filled partially. Okay, so what this means now is that I need to go to my assets. So here what I can do is to simply transfer my ton coin. So click on the transfer button. That's gonna display this. Okay, so I want you to notice that we have funding here and we have unified here. Okay, remember we moved our funds from funding to unified, so I'm gonna just click on this right here to switch their positions. And once that is done, I'm going to change the coin here. Okay, it is not BTC, it has to be ton. So click on that and you can see ton up here. If you don't see it displayed here, search it. Okay, so click on ton and boom, you can see I've got it, the quantity I have displayed here. So I want to transfer max of this. Okay, so all I need to do is to click on the confirm button. Now, as you can see, I've moved my funds from unified to funding. The next step would be to withdraw. Okay, so click on the withdraw button. So I click on that. That's gonna display the necessary details for this withdrawal. Now you can see there is on-chain withdrawal, there is internal withdrawal. Go with on-chain. This is the coin we are withdrawing. The next will be to paste the address, and this is where you would have to go to your Tonkeeper wallet. So here on your Tonkeeper wallet, you would simply click on the ton, this one, click on it, and that's going to show you this. You're going to click on receive. That's going to show you this. So simply click on the copy button to copy your address. So once that is pasted, the network is already selected. In case it is not, it must be ton. The next is where it says tag or memo. If a tag or memo is required, you would have to key it in here. Okay, but the tag or memo is not required, so it is optional. As you can see now, you can see where it says the quantity you want to withdraw. Just key in the quantity you want to withdraw. Okay, so all I need to do is to simply click on the withdraw button. Okay, you can see withdrawal fees is 0.1 ton. After clicking on the withdraw button, the money would reflect here. So you don't need to buy a lot, just about $5 or $10 would be enough for you to have in here, and then you would be able to claim.